Hey everyone, welcome back to Colourful Indian. I hope that you are having a wonderful week. Today I wanted to show you some products that I have received from Yensa Beauty. Now Yensa Beauty is one of my absolute favorite brands. Their foundation is just amazing. I use it for all my looks and I'm really obsessed with it. So I applied to be an ambassador and I got accepted, and they very kindly sent over some products. So I'm going to be using that to finish the look that I currently have on my face right now. Before we get into the Yensa review, I wanted to introduce myself. My name is Ranita and I love to do makeup tutorials and reviews. I like to do swatches. I go into lifestyle as well, do shopping hauls, and I also venture into mental health every now and then. So if you're interested in all of those things, then I'd love to see more of you, and if you like this video, you can subscribe. So without further ado, I just want to show you the products that I have received. So Yensa has sent me a Super 8 lip oil, so that's this over here. Let's take a look at every single product that they've sent me, because they have sent over, I think, about 7 or 6 of them. Yeah, they've sent 6. Alright, so this is the Yensa Super 8 lip oil. It's really pretty. It's such a gorgeous shade. We're going to be using all of these products on my face, by the way. The blush that they have sent me is in the shade Radiant Rose. So this is the shade Radiant Rose out of its packaging. You can see it's a really nice pink. I think that this will work really nicely on my skin, so I'm very interested in seeing how that's going to work. They've also sent me a skin-on-skin complexion brush. Oh, it's so soft though, it really is. It's really soft. And it feels heavy. It's a really nice brush. She sent me the Tone Up Primer. She's also sent a concealer and a foundation in my shade. So you would have seen the concealer and the foundation definitely on my page. If you were on my Instagram and stuff, you would have seen it. So the new products to me are definitely, this primer over here, and then the lip oil and the blush. So those are the products, and we're going to get right into it. So I'm going to start by applying the primer. That's this over here. So I actually already did some cleanup with micellar water because there was a bit of fallout. So I'm just going to go and apply the primer to my face, and I'm going to see how this goes. Okay, so it says over here that this moisturizes and preps the skin for makeup. It blurs imperfections and pores, and okay, so I'm supposed to put a thin, even layer of this, and then we're supposed to put the foundation on top. And that sounds good to me because I was planning to do exactly that. So now my face has been, primed, and I'm going to go in with my foundation. So the foundation is going to be in the shade Neutral Tan, which is, my favorite shade, obviously. I do have, I think, olive skin. Like, I have an olive base actually, but I've been going for neutral, a neutral undertone for a lot of my foundation, and I feel like this kind of does work. I'm just going to apply the foundation all over my skin. It's very easy to apply. Honestly, I feel like this is, it doesn't even feel like foundation. It just feels so comfortable to wear on the skin, and that's why Yensa is probably one of my staple products now. I do almost every single look using my Yensa stuff because I love it. I absolutely love it. And this is stuff that I will, continue to repurchase. So as you can see, the foundation can be built up. If you don't want the medium coverage, you can build it up to full coverage as well. Like what I've done on one side over here. I'm just going to add a teeny weeny bit more here, and then we should be good to go. But it's very nice because the one ingredient that I really like in this foundation is the fact that it has bakuchiol. Bakuchiol is literally like the daytime version of retinol, essentially. So I try to not actually put a lot of foundation on my forehead simply because I'm getting a lot of lines up there. So generally, I actually just kind of leave it. Okay, so this is the foundation. I'm gonna just put a very small amount of concealer because usually I don't actually need concealer. Like, I'm just not someone who needs. Usually I try to just use a setting powder or something. I'm trying to not touch my eyes as much anymore because as I age, I feel like, the eyes, they get more and more wrinkly. So I'm trying to actually just not do any makeup under my eyes on most days. but for this video I will make an exception so you can see how it does brighten up. And it's very, very easy to blend it, which is probably the reason why I love Yensa so much. I really, really believe in these products. The first time I tried Yensa itself, I was so happy with the way that the foundation worked, and that's the reason why I just kept trying more and more products, and then eventually I was like, you know what, I kind of want to do more, and I applied to be an ambassador. So yeah, that's how this all happened. Alright, so I just got my lashes on and I want to do the blush with you. So as you can see, that's what the color looks like. It's a really, really nice Barbie kind of pink, and I'm going to just use my finger to grab some on my hand. You can see what that looks like, and I'm just going to put a little bit here and a little bit here. This does look like a very, very pretty pink. So the thing I like about the Yensa blushers is that they're cream blushers and they just melt into your skin, and it's just so nice to have them do that. It's very, very comfortable. Again, like I said, Yensa's makeup to me is very much skincare makeup because everything is, you know, so beneficial. They put in so many nice ingredients into their products, and I feel like that is the one thing that drew me to them and really made me fall in love with the brand. So yeah, that's what the shade looks like. I absolutely love it. It looks so natural. I'm gonna just add a teeny weeny bit more and blend that into my skin, but I really, really like the way this is looking. It's so comfortable as well. So obviously when you're layering on Yensa products, it works beautifully because I put on the primer, then I had the foundation, and then last but not least, I had the the blush. And I also had concealer, so yeah, the way this is working is lovely. I'm so happy with it. Really, really love the way that this looks as well. I'm very impressed. Okay, so last but not least, we have the Super 8 lip oil. I'm going to go in and try this and see. If this is going to be very pink, I may have to just go in for a lipstick or something. This feels really, really nice. So this is, yeah. Wow, it even has this yummy kind of flavor going on. I don't know what it is, but it feels so nice. This is the finished look, and you know, I've used Yensa for a lot of the products on my face today, and it just feels so nice. My skin feels wonderful. I just love the blush. I love the foundation, the primer, everything just had me going, oh my goodness, like, yeah, I love Yensa. I absolutely love them. This is a brand that really needs more hype, in my opinion, because it is just so freaking good, and I just love the fact that the ingredients in all of these products are so skincare friendly. I really, really love that. So, you know, over here, if you read it, she says superfoods, Asian botanicals, real results, multitasking, high performance ingredients. Yeah, I feel like I agree with all of that. She's really done so many. Like if you want to know the superfoods that she's put into this: black sesame oil, black seaweed, black tea, shiitake mushroom, black rice, coriander, black raspberry, nettle, and chia seeds. This is all in the primer. It's so freaking awesome. If anyone wants makeup that is skin friendly, I would say start with Yensa, because I fell in love with Yensa just using the foundation, and then because I was working with a third party, I was gifted other products, and then I had the chance to just explore more and more products, and then Yensa themselves asked me to do a video for one of their campaigns. I remember it was something about being strong, and I spoke about my sexual abuse in that, and then, you know, I got to try more products, and now again more products because I've joined the ambassador program. So I'm really happy about it, and I'm promoting this because I genuinely love these products. I feel like these are wonderful. They are perfect for every day. Seriously, they are so good for everyday use. The texture of this is very soft to the touch, so when you actually are applying it, it feels so easy to just smooth it all over your skin, and that's one of the reasons I really love this foundation. The concealer is more or less the same. It's very easy to apply, and you can see how it just went and brightened up my face, and I'm so grateful for that. I absolutely love the Yensa foundation and concealer so much. This is my favorite foundation and concealer at the moment. I don't feel like using anything else, even though I have so many others, which means that I really do need to declutter. Okay, so the blush over here actually is very soft to the touch as well. These have the word silk in their names, and I think that it's really apt because every time I touch the blusher, I have another one that Yensa also had gifted me. It was just so easy to glide it in, and the way that it blends into your skin, even though this was very, very pink. And when I initially saw the color, I was wondering, how is this going to look on my skin? But look at it. It looks so natural. Like, this is something I would be so proud to wear every single day, and I absolutely love it. So if you're looking for, you know, a brand that really gives you a wonderful texture and all of that, Yensa really is it. So this is my first time using the tone up primer, and I was really impressed. I felt like the way my foundation went on, I'm actually looking at my skin right now and going, wow, I love my skin. I'm so happy with the way that this looks. So I'm really, really happy with this. And then of course the Super 8 lip oil. It feels like a normal oil. It has a very pleasant kind of taste going on there. I'm not really sure what that is, but I like it. And this is in the shade Pink Shine. It's just very, it's kind of like a neon pink. If you look at the bottle here, I don't know if this is showing up as a neon pink on the camera, but the way it looks to me is a neon pink. And it's just very, very comfortable, you know, the way that this is. It's not extremely runny or anything like that, just very comfortable to put on the mouth, and then it just hydrates, it gets into your mouth. And I did go in with a lipstick, you know, I put the lipstick over the lip oil because I liked that extra bit of hydration, and it worked. It went perfectly fine together, so that to me is a good thing because it means that I can use this to prep my lips before I actually apply lipstick. So yeah, I would say that I'm actually really, really happy with these Yensa products, and if you're looking forward to trying Yensa products, I would highly recommend doing it. Like, I'm a fan. I'm a big fan of Yensa, and I think that anybody who tries these products, especially if you've got, like, I have dry skin, so for me hydration is a big thing, and that's probably one of the other reasons I love this brand so much, because I'm aging, my skin needs that extra care, so I'm actively looking for makeup brands and skincare brands that really provide that moisture and hydration to my skin, because obviously I'm trying to get rid of the wrinkles and all of that. So for me, Yensa is that brand. It really is fantastic. And if you look at this, it says that the foundation has vitamin C, E, ferulic, and bakuchiol. Bakuchiol is amazing. And if you want a foundation that has SPF, Yensa has one as well. And I have it sitting at the back over there. They sent it to me for another collaboration that I had done with them, and I loved that one as well. So if you want that sunscreen and, you know, all of that, if you want SPF, you can get that too from Yensa. So it's a pretty exciting brand, and that's why I felt like I have to do this review. I have to tell you how good Yensa is. So yeah, that's all I have to share with you today. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I hope that you like the finished look. This look, the makeup is from the Samarian Sunset palette by Adept Cosmetics, which I am currently working on. My review may actually already be out at the time of this being posted. I'm not really sure yet, but if it's out, you should see it on my channel. If it's not, it means it's coming. But yeah, I just want to let you know, in case you're asking for the eye details, this is, you know, a palette with 10 multi-chromes, and honestly, I'm impressed. Okay, so I'll see you very soon for another video. I hope you have a lovely week, and lots of love to you. Bye.